In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly process and then show you what the final product looks like so you know exactly what to expect when your desk arrives. Here's everything that you receive with your desk from Sanyet. Everything is nicely labeled, and they do also give you all the tools that you need to put this together. There really isn't too many pieces to it, but you just got to get it all assembled properly. So the first couple steps of this is just getting the frame together, and that's really easy. You can see here, it's just putting bolts in with an Allen wrench. So if you can screw in bolts with an Allen wrench, you're going to be able to get this thing together. And then there's a few more bolts on the bottom you got to get in there. But everything's nicely labeled for you. They give you the Allen wrench and they give you the bolts. So I'm just going to finish getting the frame together. I'll get the drawers in there. Here's what the final product looks like when it's all put together. It's a great little desk. What I like about it too is, pull my chair out here. There's like a little hitch here. So if you'd like to have, your side piece on the left side, you can flip this around. So whatever works best for your office or room or wherever you're putting this, you can reverse that around so it fits better for you. Drawers are nice, a lot of great storage all the way through here. Full charging station, 3 outlets, 2 USB ports. You should be able to plug in a printer, phone charger, laptop, whatever you need. Bunch of outlets there so you don't have to worry about a surge protector. But overall, easy to put together. I did it by myself. Took me about 45 minutes. I'd say a great little desk for my home office. So really happy with this. 2 thumbs up.